Tonight, but I believe tonight there is a special song that we need to sing. Maybe if I can call the mamas back here, if we can sing this one last song. Even you guys here, can you come? That's the song that we want to sing right now. To say farewell to all our lovely guests here, to all our audience here, and we thoroughly enjoy your company tonight. So, this is our last item for the night. Moekaa kamutu ito tattoo ang angay tipo. Takake ni tattoo. Takake ni tattoo na teru karanga o atsu te aroa. Takake. Takake ni tattoo na teru karanga o atsu te aroa. Karioi. Karioi atsu ana ua ichi mai o te marama me kare pakoe rawa te vai ne raki mua. Te takake nei tattoo na te reo karanga o atsu te aroa. Karioi. Karioi atsu ana ua ichi mai o te marama me kare pakoe rawa te vai ne raki mua. Te takake nei tattoo na te reo karanga o atsu te aroa. Karioi atu ana. Karioi atu ana ua ichi mai o te marama me kare pakoe rawa te vai nei raki mua. Te takake nei tattoo na te reo karanga o atsu te aroa. O atsu te aroa. O atsu te aroa. Thank you, Mata. Nono o koto i kone. Toto mama nono o koto i kone. Karabe to tattoo pure akoti. We've come to the end of our function this evening, and it's been a great pleasure serving you and just being part of this. So, in Moekaa kakamutue, before we close down, we're going to have a closing prayer, and maybe if we can have a song, one of our. Tumai tato kirunga.